Hello, I received this shoebox today from Juvenco and I'm gonna be doing unboxing for this. So firstly you will be greeted with a shoe bag and some more accessories, a shoe horn and a shoe shiner. So now let's have a look at the shoes itself. This is beautiful. I can see a fine quality here, a really well crafted whole cut shoes. Finish is on the point. They have also provided a leather material they have used in making these shoes. One more thing I noticed here is they have used some rubber material at this end of the heel for perfect grip, and a suede leather in this part for extra grip so that your feet doesn't come out while walking. So one of the best part of having a leather shoes is that the leather can adapt to your foot shape, giving your feet extra comfort and support. So I really like these shoes and I would definitely recommend them.